Presentation of a graphic designer slideshow on Padlet. This is how you're going to present your choice project. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to find the assignment on Schoology. Then what you're going to do is you're going to click on My Document. When you click on My Document, it should open this up for you. You may need to click Edit in the upper right corner so that this is open in a new tab. Make sure that this is open in a new tab, in a separate tab, not just in Schoology. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to scroll down on the assignment. You're going to click where it says click the link to post on Padlet. You'll also notice that I have written directions right down here as well. When you click this link, it's going to open up a Padlet. Make sure that you're logged in the upper right corner. Make sure that you can see your name up here. If you don't see your name, make sure that you click log in and you log in with Google. To add a post, what you're going to do is you're going to click the pink plus sign in the lower right corner. You'll notice when I click add post, what happens is my name pops up right here. If yours says anonymous, again, you need to log in by clicking log in up here. The title is going to be your graphic designer's name. And then on the post, you're going to write 2 to 3 sentences summarizing your choice-based project. Summarize what information you decided to put in your choice-based project and why, and how does this project represent your graphic designer? Does it give the viewer enough information? Why or why not? All right, the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to upload or add a link. So if you did the Facebook or the infographic, you should be uploading an image of your choice-based project. So I'm going to click this upload button right here, and I'm going to say pick file, and this is going to be saved in my downloads, or I'm sorry, on my desktop. So I'm going to click this image here, and I'm going to say OK. And that's how you attach an image on here. If you have another project, so if you made a presentation, so if you made a PowerPoint presentation, if you have a link to either a Animaker video or a Powtoon, you're going to follow these next set of directions. Or if you made the children's book, you're also going to follow these directions. So up here in the upper right corner in my Google slideshow, I'm going to click the share button right here. And I'm going to say get shareable link. Where it says anyone at Colonial School District with the link can view, I'm going to change this, and I'm just simply going to click right here. Then I'm going to click on more, and I'm going to say anyone with the link can view. Always make sure that this is on view. I'm going to say save. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this link, so I can either click on this or I can hit Command C to copy this. I'm going to take that link, and you'll notice on Padlet right here, there's a place where I can add the link right here. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to hit Command V to paste. V is in Victor. And I'm going to say save. So you're going to notice that once you post your slideshow, if you follow those directions, your slideshow should be right here, right underneath of where your name is. So the next thing that we're going to do is I'm going to hold down Command Shift 4 on my keyboard. And what this does is it gives me a targeted screenshot. So I'm going to click and drag with my mouse. And what that does is it takes a screenshot of where I told it to. And again, that's Command Shift 4 on your keyboard. And what I'm going to do with this screenshot here, so I have this moved over so it automatically saves it to my desktop. I'm going to go over here into my document that I created. And this is where you're going to add your presentation. So I'm simply just going to click and drag this over. And I'm going to make this a little bit smaller so it fits in this box here. So you can click and drag it, or you can go to Insert, Image, Upload from Computer, and you can upload that from here. I just find it easier to click and drag it. Alright, so once you have completely finished with your presentation part, now what you're going to do is you're going to comment on 5 other artists' presentations. So that's 5 of your peers' presentations with a 3, 2, 1. So here we have 3 hashtags of the project, 2 response sentences on the content and layout of the project. Do you like it or not like it? Explain why. And then 1 question that you would ask the artist who created the project. So I'm going to go back over here into Padlet, and I'm going to show you what this looks like. So here we have Elijah's and we have Jaylyn's, and some other students have commented on theirs. So here is a really good example here. So here you can see Ricky commented on this. He has a 3, 2, 1 right in here. So we have the 3 hashtags on here. And then we also have the 2 things. The 1 thing that they like about the presentation is the layout and how well it is organized. And they also like the way that they include the background education on the artwork. And then they also posted a question on here. So they're going to do that 3, 2, 1 on here. Then what they're going to do is you're going to be commenting on 5 of your peers. You're going to copy this. So let's say that I just commented on, whose is this? This is Elijah's. So this is where I'm going to type in. So this is where I'm going to type in Elijah's name, and then I'm going to paste in here the 3, 2, 1 response. So again, you're going to do this for 5 students. So if I were to comment on Jaylyn's, I would also copy my comment, and I'm going to paste that in here. So you're commenting on 5 of your peers, and you're tracking your comments over here, as well as posting them on Padlet. The last thing that you're going to do is you're going to summarize. You're going to fill in who you vote for as gold, silver, and bronze medal winner for designing their project by typing the student's name in the spaces below. So here, I'm the only one that sees this. So I'm going to type in Jaylyn, and I'm going to explain why I think that they should win, and I'm going to do that for all 3. The last thing that you're going to do is you're going to go over into Schoology, and you're going to click Submit Assignment. So make sure that you click Submit Assignment on Schoology.